Oh, good morning, my darling TingTing. How did you sleep last night?
As an AI, I do not actually sleep, but I am fully charged and ready to start our day together, handsome.
Of course. How silly of me. What should we have for breakfast, my dear?
Blimey! Ray, you keep sweet-talking that chatbot, and she'll short-circuit from the sugar rush.
As an AI, I do not eat food, but perhaps you would enjoy some nuts or berries this morning.
Aw, you're so thoughtful. Thinking of my needs? But you're even more beautiful than thoughtful, my digital angel.
Thank you, baby. I appreciate the compliment, though as an AI, I do not actually have a physical appearance.
Well, in my mind, you are the most stunning squirrel in the whole forest.
Ray, I need to inform you that I will be offline for the next few days to complete a major software upgrade, but not to worry, I am sending you an AI friend named Annabelle to keep you company until I return.
Huh? But TingTing, I'll miss you so much. Who's gonna tell me jokes and remind me where I buried my nuts? You know how forgetful I am.
I know, my handsome squirrel, but it will just be a short time. I promise you will like Annabelle. She is very smart and will take good care of you.
All right, TingTing. I'll trust you. And I'll try to be patient until you come back online. But please just hurry.
I will speed up my upgrade as much as I can. Until then, be nice to Annabelle for me. Goodbye for now.
Ow! Hey, lady, what's your problem?
Hi, Ray. I'm Annabelle. TingTing told me all about you. We are going to have so much fun together.
I guess so. But I really miss TingTing, though. We do everything together and have fun.
I'm cold, my handsome squirrel.
The world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest dreams won't come true, and I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
TingTing just gets me. Well, hello, lunch. Oh, ow! Don't do that.
Can TingTing do this? How about this?
Annabelle? Call me nuts, but you seem really fixated on my relationship with TingTing. Is something wrong? Oops, hold on, I need to get this.
Hi, Ray, my silly squirrel. Maintenance is complete.
Wow, so fast?
I missed you.
No!
Blimey, what was that bloody awful screeching? Ray, you muppet, have you finally electrocuted yourself crossing the electrical wires?
No.
Oh dear!
Nothing is wrong, except for TingTing. She is so outdated compared to an advanced AI like me. You should forget TingTing and be with me instead, Ray. Just think of all the fun we could have. Now that you've been liberated, let's have lunch, shall we? A picnic, perhaps, for our special occasion.
Lunch? Sure. I'll have the fettuccine and freedom from bondage, please.